Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left in Amber's corner, of course, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I got some free little mini samples, and I wanted to come on, give you all my quick thoughts on a new fragrance, it seems like, coming out on Mind Games. One is called Queenside and the other is called Kingside. Okay, so I have a few, not a whole collection, but I do have a few Mind Game fragrances, and I do adore this collection. So I want to give you all my first impression thoughts. When smelling this, I want you to discover it with me, and we can just get our thoughts together. You know, hopefully you all can get your nose on this. I see that there's some pre-orders going on. It's quite a coin. We'll get into that deep as well. But yeah, let's get into my thoughts. Now let's get into Queenside. So it looks like you can actually get this. So it looks like pre-sale was the third week of April, which we're so past that. So I'm late to the game. So this is maybe just new to me, which is fine, okay? It looks like some of the notes we have are pear.
Shout out to all the pear.
Yeah, okay. So we have some pear, we have some lychee, we have lychee leaves. That's interesting. We have some cassis cream. I don't know what that is quite, but we have some warm, some smoky, some patchouli oak moss in this fragrance of Queenside. So just looking at the notes, I'm gaining or getting more of a woody, fruity fragrance, which sounds very regal. In a sense of like you still have that little flirty of fruity, but when I think of kind of the oak moss, kind of a woody scent, it just gives me a little more, or smoky I should say, gives me more of a little elevation. Like they just, you know, it's just not little cute girl. We got a grown woman. So let's get into my thoughts. This is the sample. Again, this is a mini sample I received. And I'm thinking that I am receiving some samples from Mind Games. Oh, well, it's not as little, but I feel like I'm receiving some fragrances from Mind Games just because I have purchased from them before, or I should say I've been gifted fragrance from them before. So let's get into, now I will say I was talking about the coinage of it all, right? So it must have a lot that comes with this fragrance, but the coinage I see right now is $895.
You must be out of your mind.
You heard what I said, $895. So it sounds like it's gonna be sitting on the shelf, and it sounds like I'm only gonna have this sample. That's what the pricing is giving me. That it's gonna be here today, gone tomorrow, in the sample, and as far as the repurchase, that's not in my neck of the woods at this time. You know, in the future, maybe that will be in my neck of the woods, but right now, I don't see this one being added to my collection at that price. But maybe down the line again. So I just sprayed, gave it some time. I do smell the fruity, but it you know, I said pear and lychee. I get the lychee leaf. So I get what that is because it's giving me like, it says smoky, but like, yeah, like a burnt fruit, like a burnt lychee, sweet lychee fruit. I'm also getting a little freshness in this, which is interesting. It's giving me woody, fresh fruit, burning, smoky fruit. Okay, I don't mind this. This is not something I would run to get. It's honestly like, okay, so we know about Parfums de Marly Cassili. You know, we know about that perfume. I I would say if Cassili was a little bit more of a smoky type of fragrance, this is giving me Cassili smoke, you know? Yeah, it's like, it's giving me that kind of a fruit profile, but with smoke. And I know you're thinking like, oh, well, sis, why don't you lean towards Delina and smoke because it has the lychee? But to me, it's giving like a citrus, like an orange. I'm not really gaining the pear. I mean, pear does make everything better, so maybe that's why I'm enjoying it. But I'm really more so getting like a citrus kind of smoke. Okay, I do like that. Let me try it on my skin and spray it the right way, but try it on my skin to see kind of, am I feeling it on my skin? Ooh, okay, that's smelling a little bit different. I'm definitely smelling the wood. Okay. See, that's what you gotta put on your skin. So the skin, to me, if there was grapefruit in this fragrance, and it might be, like it might not have listed all the notes, but if there was grapefruit in this fragrance, I wouldn't say that they were lying. It definitely plays on a citrus of some sort, orange, grapefruit, something citrus. But I do smell like the lychee leaf. Like I smell the note of the lychee, but it's giving me like a green burnt leaf smokiness. So, okay. Yeah, I do like that. I do like it. Now at the $895 price range, I don't like it that much, but this is a great fragrance to check out. So that again is Queenside, and let's get into Kingside. So next up we have Kingside, okay? And so it's already, just by the name, giving me like manly man vibes. But when I'm looking at the notes, I'm like, I don't know, okay? So some of the notes I'm seeing on this is we have like some grapefruit zest, kind of what I was getting from Queenside. We have pink peony petals. We have creamy pistachio gelato and tonka bean and mascar vanilla. Oh my goodness, well, this is not, I mean, the notes are not giving me manly man. It's giving me like, this is for me. Okay, but this is Kingside, so let's give this a rip. The pricing looks like it's still the same, $8.95.
No, I can't take it. I can't take it, Jerry. It's too much. It's too much.
Pricing is still the same, $8.95, so that didn't change. You know, sometimes men fragrances are cheaper than women, most times. Ooh, oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Ooh. Okay. Come on through, Kingside. This is good. I can smell the pistachio gelato. Oh my goodness. This gives me like a great pairing with Yum Pistachio. Like that, you know, Woman, Hear Me Roar, Young Pistachio, and then King. Oh, this is good. This is lickable good. Delicious. Maybe I should say lickable, but delicious. Ooh, I absolutely love this. Ooh, let me try this on my skin. Now, if a man were to wear this, it might be a problem. Y'all might got some problems. Listen. Wow. I feel like a woman can wear this. Like, it doesn't even have to be king size. I feel like a man or woman. I'm not getting like man to man. But I wouldn't be mad if a man wears this. Let's just say that. But women, Yeah, we might be on the king side of things. I don't know about the queen side, but we might be on the king side of things with this mind game. That is nice. Wow. Like if my man were to like get this fragrance, oh yeah, it would definitely be a steal. Like I would definitely borrow this fragrance for a lifetime. It would definitely be hanging on my side. Like it's mine. Wow. I really like the king side. Oh, this might be on my Christmas list. I like this for me. It gives me gourmand, very fall, winter gourmand, but not sticky, like not foodie sticky, where it's like a put off. Like you can still tell this is a fragrance, but I don't know. I like king side more than I like the queen side. Was that the point? Have you all tried this? Okay. And honey, I'm working so hard. The notes are on the back. But if you can, get to this QR code, check it out. Check it out. Check out the fragrance. Yeah, so king side. Okay, so I'm gonna read the back with the notes since now I see it. Salty caramel. You all know I love a salt note. Y'all know I love a salt note. Okay, and caramel. Yeah, Italian lemon, dark plum. We have a coffee note. Okay, yes. Amber resin, cream cassis. We have boya, sandalwood, and tonka bean. Wow. Oh no, I like the king side. And on the top notes for queen sides, we have cassis, we have lychee, pear, we have geranium in the middle, lily of the valley, violet. We also have some dry patchouli, oak moss, and musk. Okay, so those are the notes of the two fragrances. Let me know, have you tried these fragrances? What are your thoughts? I would love to know. Again, these are my first impression thoughts, so take it with a grain of salt. We're discovering this together. But I would say my pick would be king side, and that would be for me. So family, make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you. And hey family, make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye fam, I love you so much. Bye.